Ooh, this is one of those skillet meals that just hits every time. Crispy, smoky, a little heat, and just enough tang at the end to make you go back for one more bite. 5 times. We're starting with bacon because of course we are. Cook it down until it's nice and crisp. The kind of crisp that makes your kitchen smell like you've made excellent life choices. Once it's done, pull it out and set it aside. And no, we are not wasting the bacon grease. Absolutely not. That's where the flavor lives. Now, into that bacon goodness, your diced Yukon Gold potatoes. Let those cook until they're golden and crusty. Don't rush this. Seriously, don't touch them. Let them do their thing. This is where the science happens. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then little red pepper flakes, just enough to wake things up. In go the chopped onions. Cook it until soft and translucent, nice and mellow. Now we build flavor. Cumin goes in, followed by paprika. Then the garlic, about 40 to 45 seconds, just until your kitchen smells like you know exactly what you're doing. Now add your poblano peppers. Let them soften and pick up a little color. That smoky flavor, yeah, that's what we're after. Make a space right in the center and crack in your eggs. Nice and easy. Cover and cook until they're just set. Soft, jammy yolks right where you want them. Remove the lid. Now here's the move. A splash of apple cider vinegar. This wakes the whole dish up, cuts through the richness and pulls everything together. Add that crispy bacon back in because we're not monsters. Bacon. Finish with a little sweet red banana pepper on top for a pop of color and a little sweetness. And that's it. Crispy potatoes, smoky bacon, a little heat, soft eggs, and that bright tang at the end. Ooh, and poblanos. Yes, poblanos. This one, yeah, this one's hard to beat.